I want to quickly show you how I make my favorite German treat. It's called Nippon in the original, and I can make it here on my own. What you need are 2 ingredients. You need your favorite milk chocolate and you need some rice puffs. So what you do first is you have to melt the chocolate. Once the chocolate is melted, I'm adding the rice puffs. And these rice puffs are not your breakfast cereal with some sugar coat or something. They're just pure, simple rice puffs. And I'm adding like the amount that is needed to cover them good. But you know, the chocolate should still be, how can I explain that? The majority of this mixture, so I'm making sure that the chocolate is covering the rice puffs very well, not just thinly. Okay, and this now goes in here. So this is a baking frame, and I have some parchment paper below. And I put this into this. This really is my favorite sweets in Germany. I love it so much. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I want this to be even and tight. So just flat like this. And this goes now into the fridge until it has set. So now I just have to remove this. Okay, almost there. And last step is to cut this into squares. Okay, I'm not sure if it's fully set in the center. Let's see. The center could have set a little longer. This is what it looks like. And this is what it tastes like. I love this so much. It's really good. Try this. It's a really nice treat and so easy to make. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like. Subscribe, hit the bell button, and watch the next video. Thanks for watching.